Hey everyone, I took this picture yesterday after I finished mixing, and then I took this picture to this morning just to show you how much everything is developing and growing. As you can see, there are holes starting to form. That means that the yeast is starting to eat the flour and produce gas and these bubbles. That's what gives bread its rise. So yesterday I drew a picture of what a wheat berry looks like, and so today I actually have one to put side by side. Similar in shape, but totally different in size. Welcome to the day 3 video. Today we have to remove some of the starter. We're gonna remove 100 grams. Like I said before, I have the initial weight of the jar. It's very important that I have the initial weight of the jar so I know how much actually is in there, so I know how much starter I have in here, and I know how much I need to take out. So if I turn this on, put my scale down, again, I have 1,040 grams, so I have to remove 100 of that to give me 948, leaving me with 100 grams of my starter left. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll be back. All right, so I have my scale turned towards me, opening up my jar. I'm getting ready to take out 100 grams. Okay, it smells different. I'm trying to see if I can figure out how to explain it. It doesn't smell like flour and water anymore. It has a different smell because the yeast is working and it's developing. And as the pictures I'm showing earlier, you can see all the bubbles in the side. So this is very exciting. So I want to take out 100 grams, should be about half. It's very, very sticky. So I'm gonna take out, look at that. Crazy. How much is that? 952. Oh my gosh, that's almost 100 right there. So I want to get it down another 10. It doesn't have to be super exact, okay? It doesn't have to be super exact, but you do want it kind of close. 949. I'm okay with it going with being a little bit over. So now as you see, I don't have that much left. So now that I've taken some out, I can get ready to put more in. If that's what's gonna happen next, I'm gonna leave this closed right now, set it off to the side, and now I'm gonna measure out my other ingredients I'm adding to it today. Okay, first thing I have to do, today we're gonna add 100 and 100. So 100 grams of flour and then 100 grams of water. So this is twice as much as what we've been doing before. Perfect, gosh, that ended up right at 100. So I spilled flour everywhere. Add this in. I need the funnel. I'll make too big of a mess without it. Next, we're going to have our water. Add 100 grams. Grams of water. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix it. A lot nicer than using my hand because this is very sticky, and because I'm using a silicone spatula here, it doesn't stick as much, which is really nice, but to your hands it would stick a lot, and that's not fun to get it off of. All right, but it's looking good. See, now it kind of smells just like flour again because I just added a whole bunch of flour in there. Yesterday it did rise and it did grow some. So today I'm hoping to get a bigger rise out of it because as more cultures developed. Okay. So here we go, here is this, and then I will see you back here. I'm gonna record everything in my journal, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 4. All right, so here's the final product, and it's marked with a red rubber band, so tomorrow I can see how high it has risen. To recap the end of day 3, I took out 100 grams, and there was my weight after that. Then I added 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of water, and I recorded the temperature of the room, 64 degrees. My new total weight is 1,150 grams. See you all tomorrow.